I went to learn how to fight. Cobra told me I couldn't kick. Said your kick suck. Told it to my face. I said my heart was in a good place. All of that shit, excuse my language, all of that stuff that y'all be telling me, I understand. I've been young. But just like I told homeboy who's not here, nobody cares. Excuse my language, sorry. Nobody cares until you actually are doing it yourself. Nobody cares. You are broken down on the side of the road. You gotta fix your car. Nobody's gonna come help you. You just sit here looking at the car. People are gonna try to figure out if you even care about the car, if it's your car. It's only until you start fixing the car. It's only until you start trying to work on the car. Or people like, yo, let me help you with the car. This is life. This is wrestling.